Welcome, health and wellness followers. Let us solve an absorbing puzzle today that involves nutrition and growth. And what if I told you the secret to a longer life is in what you drink? Drinks have come out of obscurity amidst numerous dietary trends and health gimmicks that can activate your body's stem cells and promote healing unparalleled by any other method known so far. Who are they? What's so special about them? Dr. William Lai offers valuable insight into these everyday drinks through his countless studies in this field that could change how we think about our body's hydration for good. However, beware, all beverages are not created equal. Some may improve your health while others may be lurking in the shadows to destroy it. So which ones do you think they are? Stay tuned as we expose the secrets behind these powerful elixirs and uncover the cold hard facts about one popular drink that you must steer clear of. Prepare to be amazed, informed, and perhaps even a little shocked as we embark on this journey toward a healthier, longer life.
Thank you for being my guests on this enthralling exploration into the world of health and longevity. While examining ties between who we are and what we selected, it is vital to remember stem cells as one integral part. Imagine being able to increase your body's ability to heal itself just by drinking something tasty. Today, I am delighted to reveal 3 amazing beverages that can facilitate healing responses within your body. For hundreds of years, across many societies, green tea has been savored for its simplicity, as well as its therapeutic properties beyond its calm taste buds. This herb tea contains epigallocatechin, gallate, a unique polyphenol. This natural antioxidant is more than just a cell protector. It has proved to stimulate the production of stem cells in humans, which repair and regrow damaged tissues. When you drink green tea, it does more than just warm you up. It fights inflammation, improves blood flow, and even keeps your heart healthy. So many studies have revealed that drinking green tea regularly can help increase the number of stem cells circulating in your body, effectively enhancing your body's natural ability to heal itself. Though matcha, loose, or bagged tea are different ways one may choose to prepare it at home, still there is no denying that taking this beverage daily has deep implications for one's longevity and general well-being. Thus, next time, when you take green tea, consider it as not only taking some drink, but feeding your system with a powerful mixture that will make you live longer, healthier, and happier.
We have recently discovered amazing health effects of just a single cup of green tea, which is believed to support stem cells and facilitate repair of injuries. However, that's not the only destination on our expedition through potent remedies from nature. Now we move to coffee. Although it is usually considered as an everyday practice or a cupful for freshening up, its taste isn't the only secret behind its popularity. And then what if you could take more than a jolt to wake you up? What if your morning coffee was helping you live longer? These studies shown that coffee consumed in moderation does activate human health defenses, improve metabolism, and even stimulate stem cells, as green tea does too. But why is coffee so special among beverages? Why has it kept so many people enthralled? And what does science say about longevity associated with drinking this drink? Dr. William Lai will share with us some insights into the scientific background behind coffee and how much useful effect it really can bring in your way to better health and long life.
But coffee, it's not just another morning ritual for many of us. It's also a moment of comfort, an adorable taste that starts our day off well. But let me ask, would you believe that coffee is truly good for your health? Each cup of coffee contains chlorogenic acid, a substance which goes beyond just adding flavor, but works as an antioxidant whose impact is considerable in improving one's health. Here, chlorogenic acid facilitates blood distribution while strengthening metabolic process before activating stem cells in human bodies. These are vital for repairing and regenerating tissues. Thus, what people think about it falls far below reality. Based on several large studies conducted by researchers over the past years, regular consumption of coffee associates with a lower risk of many chronic conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. And in another study among more than 170,000 people, those who drank 2 to 3.5 cups of coffee per day were found to have a 30% less probability of dying due to any cause. It is clear that this common drink has the power. However, all coffees are not made equal. For example, organic coffee usually has higher levels of chlorogenic acid, hence it is better. That's not to say the smell and taste of the beverage isn't delightful, but its advantages for our health truly make it special. Thus, when you take your next cup of coffee, know that you're doing more than just enjoying yourself, because by supporting your immune system, you are positively affecting your future health. A small choice with huge benefits.
Having covered green tea's rejuvenation capacity and learnt about astonishing pros of a simple cupful of coffee, we still have a few things left unsaid regarding some Earth's most potent drinks. And now, let's turn our attention to black tea, probably the oldest beverage enjoyed worldwide for centuries, often outshone by its green counterpart. Black tea has very many health benefits. It is rich and comforting as well as being a source of warmth. It offers true wellness. But what makes black tea so special? How does it compare to other drinks we've explored? What unique things does it bring on board? So as we just continue with our quest of revealing nature's secrets of longevity, Dr. William Lai will help us go through the science and benefits of black tea.
Black tea. This drink has been the solace of millions across the globe for ages. While green tea often steals all its thunder due to various health benefits, the fact still remains that black contains the same health-giving properties too. One thing about this type of tea that is amazing is that it can encourage stem cell growth. Like green teas, black teas have polyphenols, a group of natural compounds with multiple health benefits. However, what is interesting is that even when fermented, which changes chemical composition, in black tea, it doubles your body's number of stem cells. Are filling key roles in maintaining our good health are stem cells, which are like body repairers capable of regrowing damaged tissues and ensuring optimal functioning of our organs too. Thus, a cup of hot soothing liquid you sip from time to time isn't just enough. Black tea is not just a warm drink. Now one may ask, does adding milk to black tea affect its benefits? The answer is yes. The cow's milk is added fat molecules from small bubbles around polyphenols, trapping them so they become less bioavailable within the body system, unlike when no milk was used up or with other milks from plants such as almond milk and soy milk. To get more out of your black tea, enjoy it without milk or choose non-dairy options like almond or soya milk that will not interfere with the absorption of these beneficial compounds. Black tea is something people do every day, but it's also a powerful weapon in keeping you healthy. It's a small thing that has great effects on your body defense systems. Therefore, remember this, the next time you make tea, what you are doing is not just drinking tea, but nourishing your body from within.
We have explored the amazing benefits of green tea, coffee, and black tea. One for each type can be considered as a magical potion that enhances human health in an unthinkable manner. But this is not where our journey ends. Here comes Dr. William Lai with one more surprise today, an unexpected drink which, though unfamiliar to you, may have superpowers when it comes to boosting your well-being. This liquid could be the ultimate choice for taking care of your health and wellness. What drink is this? How does it relate to longevity and well-being? Stay with us because Dr. William Lai will tell you about this additional beverage and how simple it is to include it in everyday life soon.
Dark chocolate, a treat that's loved by so many and with good reason. But beyond its delicious taste, dark chocolate is also a powerhouse of health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting your body's natural defenses. What makes dark chocolate so special is its high content of flavonols, natural compounds that have been shown to improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and yes, even stimulate stem cells. When you consume high flavanol dark chocolate, you're not just indulging in a sweet treat, you're boosting your body's ability to repair and regenerate itself. Research has shown that drinking a hot chocolate made from high flavanol dark chocolate can double the number of stem cells in your body in just 30 days. This isn't just theory. This is backed by clinical studies that demonstrate real, measurable improvements in blood flow and stem cell levels. But here's the key. Not all chocolate is created equal. The benefits I'm talking about come from dark chocolate that's at least 70% cacao or higher. The higher the cacao content, the more flavonols it contains, and the greater the health benefits. And let's be clear, It's not the sugar or the dairy that provides these benefits. In fact, those can detract from the health effects of chocolate. What you want is the pure, rich cacao that's packed with antioxidants and flavonols. So next time you need a satisfying treat, which helps you keep healthy, pick up high flavanol dark chocolate bar for yourself. One step only based on science informed through centuries-old experience.
And there you have it. 3 powerful drinks, each able to support your health as well as prolonging life. And if nothing else, innovates the natural consequences of your body and the soothing and anti-inflammatory effects of green tea, to the metabolism-boosting impacts of coffee, and regenerative potentiality of high flavanol dark chocolate. These beverages are more than just morning routines. They are ways to live a longer, healthier life. But remember, it's not just about what you drink, but how you incorporate these choices into a balanced lifestyle. Small, thoughtful decisions made consistently over time can have a profound impact on your well-being. So why not start today? Think of these drinks not just for their flavors, but also for their powerful health benefits. And lest we forget what Dr. William Li reminds us, in matters health-related, every determination that is reached makes a difference. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. Here is to every drop counting. Stay healthy and curious until next time.